Welcome to another video where I can teach you how to work around the limitations of LinkedIn Recruiter Lite. Today's subject's the AI function. Let's talk about it. Hi, my name is Cornelia. Welcome to my channel. I usually post videos about recruitment and HR topics, and in today's video I wanted to speak a little bit about the AI function on LinkedIn Recruiter Lite that is missing in comparison with LinkedIn Recruiter Corporate. But you don't need to worry about it because we can find a workaround, and I'll show you in today's video how you can actually do it. Something that you maybe don't know is that LinkedIn was bought by Microsoft. This means that all of the integrations that are on LinkedIn are owned by Microsoft. This means that the algorithms that you can find on all of the AI functions on LinkedIn Recruiter are actually the ones that Microsoft also use for the AI tools, which are for free. And here I'm referring to Microsoft Copilot. So yeah, you can go online, you can write here Microsoft Copilot, and you see it's very similar with all of the other AI models. You have a search bar where you can actually write what you want from them to show you. Now, the thing is that I've never used Microsoft Copilot just because my preferred one is Gemini from Google. The thing is that the AI algorithms are kind of the same for everyone because it's like a standard industry, I would say. So yeah, you can go and choose whatever AI tool that you would like to use. From what I work with LinkedIn Recruiter Corporate, I would say that the most important AI functions is when you are looking for candidates, so you are searching for them, and when you write personalized emails for those specific candidates, because when you are sending a personalized message to that candidate, most likely they will respond to your message just because they feel like the message was written for them and not written for a bunch of candidates that you've sent bulk messages. Let's talk about the first part of sourcing candidates. Usually on LinkedIn Recruiter Corporate, you have a window there where you can write with your own words things that you would like to look for in the next candidates or in the searching that you are doing at the moment in time. And those specific words are usually taken from the job descriptions, because this is how you can actually look for candidates. You need to see what is written in the job description and transform what is written there into a candidate search. When you are doing this with LinkedIn Recruiter Corporate, all of the words that you are writing there, they are put in the filters that you'll normally have to use or normally have to complete before having this AI function in the LinkedIn Recruiter Corporate license. Now, what you can do here, or the workarounds of it, I would say, would be to just complete the filters by yourself with the keywords from the job description. Or another thing that you can do, which I believe it's a little bit easier, is just to copy-paste the job description in one of the AI tools that you are using, either Copilot, Gemini, ChatGPT, whatever, and ask them to give you the keywords or the most important words that you can use in your search. Now, you can also ask for separate skills that you can copy-paste in the skills section, or you can ask for a Boolean search that you can copy-paste in the keyword section, and all of the other filters you can go there and put manually. For example, the town or the city, the country, if you are looking for remote people, etc., etc. You can also ask that specific AI tool what will be some of the things that you can add in your search to have a better results of those specific candidates. This is very similar with the AI function from LinkedIn Recruiter Corporate, when they will give you suggestions on how you can improve your search. All of this will have most likely the same results as using the AI function from LinkedIn Recruiter Corporate. And I would say that, yeah, you'll spend a little bit more time to do all of these things on another AI model, but you'll save a lot of money because you won't have to pay for the corporate license to use this specific AI function in this matter when you already have so many other AI tools that you can use for free. The second thing that I wanted to talk about is about drafting the personalized messages when you are sending emails to candidates. On LinkedIn Recruiter Corporate, you have that AI function that will take the information for that specific candidate's profile and will create a personalized message. I would say that you can do the same things with one of the other free AI tools that you can find online. And how you can do this is just give them the instruction to write a message as you being the recruiter of this specific company advertising this specific role, and then you can just make a screenshot of the candidate's profile, add it there, and ask the AI tool to do a personalized message based on the information that they see in the screenshot. And in this way, you'll have a personalized message as you would have if you would have used the AI function from LinkedIn Recruiter Corporate. And at the same time, you can use the AI function to maybe rephrase some of the messages that you are already sending, or to create follow-up messages based on the messages that you've sent before and just save them there as templates. So yeah, you can use all of these free AI tools that you can find online online to basically use all of these AI perks that you'll normally find in LinkedIn Recruiter Corporate without breaking the bank. And the third thing that I wanted to speak here, I would say that it's not that important, but I just wanted to mention in case you would care for it. In the reports tab for LinkedIn Recruiter Corporate, you do have there an AI function that will analyze your emails and that will give you some ideas in terms of how you can improve them. Now, what you can do with all of the other free AI tools, just make a screenshot of the stats that you have there in your LinkedIn Recruiter Lite reports tab, and then use some screenshot or just copy paste the templates that you are using for your emails when you are sending them to candidates, and ask for Gemini, ChatGPT, Copilot, whatever, to give you some suggestions on how you can improve it, or maybe give you some ideas on how you can make them better so you can have more responses from the candidate side. So yeah, that will be all from my side. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget, if you don't have money, you just have to find different resources that are cheaper, or I would say that are actually for free. You don't have to worry about not having a good performance just because you don't have the biggest, the most expensive LinkedIn Recruiter package, because guess what? You can actually use other tools that can help you with the things that you don't have in the more cheaper version of LinkedIn, in this case, LinkedIn Recruiter Lite. See you in the next video. Bye!